Every journey begins beneath the soil, where nature hides its harvest.
The first cleaning starts before the crop ever leaves the field. The harvest now begins its journey toward modern processing. The harvest now begins its journey toward modern processing. Efficient logistics keep every harvest moving without delay.
Every load is documented before processing begins.
Accuracy starts with knowing exactly what has arrived. The receiving station prepares for a controlled transfer. From field to factory, the flow never stops. Now the real transformation is ready to begin. Airflow separates what weight alone cannot. Safety begins long before the product reaches consumers.
Uniform size creates consistent roasting later in production. Thousands of decisions are made every second by precision vision systems.
Human expertise still complements automated precision.
Clean handling protects quality before the next stage. Controlled storage keeps every batch ready for precision roasting. Every roast begins with perfectly measured consistency. Inside the roaster, raw harvest begins its transformation into a familiar snack. Carefully controlled heat unlocks the peanut's rich aroma.
Every degree matters when consistency defines quality.
Cooling locks in the perfect roast before the next step begins. Gentle abrasion removes the final outer layer with remarkable precision.
Only the smooth roasted kernels continue forward. A clean finish prepares every kernel for final selection.
Precision inspection ensures every handful meets the same standard. Accurate recipes create the flavor consumers expect. Every rotation spreads flavor with remarkable uniformity. The transformation is complete, and precision packaging is about to begin. Precision begins with every perfectly measured portion.
Every package takes shape in a matter of seconds. Perfect seals preserve freshness from factory to shelf. Automation verifies every detail before approval. Every gram is verified with uncompromising accuracy.
Hidden risks are eliminated before products leave the line.
Every package carries its complete production history. Automation combines speed with remarkable precision. Each carton is prepared for safe transport through the supply chain. Production now gives way to the final stage of quality assurance. The finished product now receives its final layer of protection. Secure packaging protects every carton through its journey. Small details make a major difference during transport. Every pallet carries its complete identity from factory to retailer. Automation confirms that every shipment meets exact standards. Careful handling preserves the precision achieved on the production line.
Organized storage keeps every order ready for dispatch.
Every pallet is instantly traceable across the entire facility. The final destination is now set into motion. Only one final inspection remains before these peanuts begin their journey to consumers. Before shipment, every batch must prove its consistency. Science confirms what production has carefully created.
Every kernel tells the story of the entire process. Moisture control protects freshness long after production. Consistency is measured, never assumed.
Invisible safety standards protect every consumer. Strong packaging preserves quality beyond the factory walls. Every result comes together before a single shipment leaves. With approval granted, the journey can finally continue. The factory's final approval marks the beginning of every customer's experience. Every shipment is loaded with precision to protect the final product. Efficient logistics keep fresh products moving without delay. A secure load ensures every package arrives exactly as intended. Every shipment leaves with complete traceability from start to finish. Production never stops as the next shipment prepares to move.
From one facility, thousands of snack packs begin their journey worldwide.
Every department works together as one continuous system.
And this is how modern factories produce roasted peanut snack packs from start to finish.
Innovation, precision, and teamwork transform a simple harvest into a trusted snack. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.